Kung bottom ka, stay. If you're top, di mo kailangan to. So just move on. So, gonna talk to all the bottoms out there or sino man ang may interest magpa-bottom in the future. Pinakakailangan mo aralin is maglinis ng bulalo. Ngayon, ang problema, minsan dahil sa Philippines, yung ating food or yung available na pagkain sa Pilipinas, laging masarsa, greasy, oily, and fatty. And pag masyadong fatty and greasy mga kinakain natin, the kind of urna that we create is something that is really hard na or difficult mailabas. At pag difficult mailabas yung urna, ano nangyayari? Ang tagal maglinis. Ma-overdouche ka in the sense na umabot ka ng 1 hour. Tapos minsan hour na, hour and 10 minutes, hour 20 minutes bago pa matapos. So paano i-fix to? Bawasan mo yung dairy tsaka fatty food. And another one is dagdagan mo yung fiber intake. Fiber intake can be available in fruits and vegetables. But kung wala namang available, merong mabibili dito sa TikTok, which is, this is psyllium husk. I started using this just a few weeks ago. Kasi feeling ko there are times na gusto ko mabilis na lang siya. And to be honest with you, napakabilis maglinis. 5 minutes, 10 minutes kapag ka umurna ka ng maganda kasi maganda yung fiber intake. Yun lang.